Like other manufacturers, Samsung has also implemented an option to limit its device's charge to 85% to extend the lifespan of the battery. But what if you want to extend the charging even after 85%? Let's get started. So the first fix is to disable the Protect Battery option on Samsung phones. With this setting enabled, the phone limits the charge to 85% for extending the lifespan of the battery. To disable this option, open the Settings app on your Galaxy phone. Now scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. Tap on Battery. Now tap on More Battery Settings. Just disable the toggle next to Protect Battery. Another fix is to check for third-party apps that you might be using to limit your Galaxy phone's charge to 85%. These types of apps work similarly to the Protect Battery feature stated before and artificially limit your charging capacity. It is better to identify and uninstall these apps. To do that, find third-party battery apps installed on your phone, such as AccuBattery and others. Long press on its icon and tap on the small I icon to open App Info. Tap on Uninstall, and that's it. It may be possible that your Galaxy phone's battery can corrupt or degrade over time. You can run the built-in diagnostic tool to confirm the issue if there is one and get it replaced at the nearest service center. To do that, open the Settings app on your Galaxy phone. Now scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. Scroll down and tap on Diagnostics. Select Battery Status and confirm its condition and overall life from the following menu. Lastly, if your Samsung Galaxy phone is not charging after 85%, it can be due to a buggy One UI build. Believe it or not, most of such bugs and issues can be fixed easily with a One UI software update. Therefore, to do so, open the Settings app on your Galaxy phone and scroll to Software Update. Download and install the latest One UI update on your phone. Hopefully, you are now able to successfully fix the charging capacity issue on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials related to your everyday technology. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.